Doing everyone. Welcome to week 5 of the course. I wanted to kind of go over the checklist with you. First and foremost, I noticed that the majority of you haven't submitted your exam 1 yet. That's totally okay. You have all the way until Sunday. But as I mentioned in last week's material, please don't wait until Sunday if you can, because we are going to be moving through quite a bit of material in the course this week as well. Specifically, we'll get all the way through Chapter 4 and then begin Chapter 5. So you'll notice that the majority of the lecture content that I will be presenting is on Chapter 4. I've already posted Part 1, which covers the first 2 sections of the textbook. It has some example problem videos, example problems embedded within the video, like usual structure. So just make sure that each learning module, you realize that the title of the learning module is hyperlinked to a lecture video on YouTube, and make sure that you can do all of the example problems at the end. I am trying, particularly in parts 2 and 3, to do some problems from your homework, because when you initially look at Chapter 4 homework part 2, which we'll be doing on Sunday, it's going to seem like it's a lot. The book tells me that it should take you about 2 hours to do, so I'll try to save you a little time as you watch those lectures. In addition to kind of watching my lectures, and we'll formally finish Chapter 4, please take some time and read Chapter 5 of the book and complete the intro homework, Part 1 for Chapter 5, which shouldn't take you long. It's pretty simplistic. Again, we're technically going to go over the majority of that material next week, but we do need to make sure that we're staying on pace in order to get through the 8 or 9 chapters that we need to get through by the end of the semester. So good luck on Exam 1. Email me if you have any questions. If you're curious when Exam 2 will happen, it probably won't be next week. It'll be the week after, in week 7, and it will cover chapters 4, 5, and 6. And then that we'll have an exam the last week of the course that will cover at least chapters 7 and 8, and hopefully we'll get through 9. If I have my preference, I'd rather get through all the material and maybe hit it a little bit lighter than to hit the material in as much depth as possible and miss a chapter. So I will plan on going all the way through Chapter 9, even if that means Chapter 8 and 9. We don't go that deep into them. We just make sure to emphasize the critical points. So good luck on Exam 1. Good luck on the homework, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.